Hey guys, welcome back to Redesign, and if you're new, welcome. So by the title of this video, you probably already know that I'm doing a review and demo on this TRACY Blushing Nude eyeshadow palette. So let's get started. So for review time of this TRACY Blushing Nude palette, I don't know much about TRACY. I picked it up at Marshall's, where I'm staying at in California. It was only $4. I already opened it up for the demo part of the video, but I'll show you what all these colors look like. And it also comes with a eyeshadow applicator that fits in the bottom of this, just like that. But I used my finger a lot of the time, and one thing, like I'll say in the demo part of the video, I had to mix other eyeshadows from other companies because it wasn't showing up like very good. It wasn't vibrant or anything. Maybe I'm new to this product, so maybe I'll get the hang of it. I don't know. But it was only $4 at Marshall's, where I am. I don't know how much it runs regularly. You could probably Google that or something, or find it on the internet somewhere. Amazon, or go to Marshall's or whatever. Or TJ Maxx. I've heard that they've had it at TJ Maxx. But all in all, like I say at the end of the video, in the demo part, I think it's in the demo part, I don't really care for this product. I probably won't buy it again, because I'm so used to like the nude colors and then adding makeup, and like I don't know if you guys can I dropped the applicator. I'm just having a great time here. I don't know if you can see that, but they're kind of shimmery. But when you put it on your eye, they're not very shimmery. So on to the demo part of the. Hey guys, so for the demo part of this TRACY, I've never used it. This is the first time using it. Like I said in the review, I picked it up at Marshall's, where I'm staying at in California, for only $4. I don't know the original price it runs, but I'll probably find that out for the review part. So this is called the TRACY Blushing Nude eyeshadow palette. You just open it up like this, and that's where all the colors are. It's already open, so I'm gonna open it, or figure out how to open it. Oh, I'll just take that off, and then it comes with a cover. Like, I don't know if you can see that, sorry guys. It's just taped on with a cover, just like this. And then it also comes with a eyeshadow applicator. So it has, and I already put my my prime base on already with my wet seal right here. This little palette right here. Sorry, I had to reach for it. So it comes with sand. All these, let's see. It comes with a bluish green, purple. I really like this. I don't know if you can see it, but it comes with all those colors. So I'm just going to test it out and see how it turns out. So I'm going to use this sand one. It's a white one. Just put it on like that. Do the other side. So I used this one first. And then I'm going to use probably this, burgundy color right here. So I'm just going to take it like that and just put it on my eye. Actually, I'm going to use my finger because it's much easier, I think. It's not really showing up. It's just like white. So now I'm going to use this greenish color. I don't know if you could see a greenish blue color. I might add some other colors to this palette, to this video to brighten it up. The green actually works pretty well. So I'm going to do it on the seam. And if you want to use this little applicator, if it worked for you, then that is fine, that is great. But I've been using my finger for like 10-15 years, and I really like it. Now all the hype is use your finger for eyeshadow, you know, and I've been using it for like 10 years. So now I'm gonna take this purple one and do it like this. See how purple it is? That is really pretty. And then do it again. Same one. See? And now I think I'm gonna use this shimmery one, pinkish, right here. See, it's like a rose gold. Put it on my eye. Same one. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of my MAC makeup, the shimmery eyeshadow, to brighten it up and see what it looks like, so I'll come back with that. Okay, so I'm using this little MAC makeup eyeshadow I got at MAC a couple months ago. It's like a purple, like pinkish shimmer. It was like the holiday special that I picked up at MAC. So I'm just gonna take my finger, comes like this, just gonna take my finger. See how pretty that is? I'm just gonna rub it on my eye, just like that. And then, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's actually really pretty look. So I'm gonna put my mascara on and come back with the end result. Okay, I wanted to do another pickup because it's not very bright, this nude palette. I don't know if I really like this, guys, or not. So it was only $4, but you know, I don't know if I really like it. So I'm gonna take this teal, this color palette and put it on my eyes. Not all the colors. So I'm just gonna do a teal. Go like this. See how blue teal that is? There we go. Adding some color. And then I'm gonna go back to this TRACY nude blushing palette. Open it up. Use the purple, the deep purple again. Rub it on my eye. I don't know if you're getting a glare, but this has a little mirror in it, so it might be glaring up in the video. So, and now I'm gonna use this MAC makeup again that I got. Rub it on my eyes. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my mascara and come back with the end result for real. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of the Ellen Tracy blushing nude palette. Overall, I thank goodness it was only $4 because maybe I'm not using it right. Maybe somebody can tell me how to use it, or if they used it before, tell me what you did. But all in all, I am very thankful it was only $4 at Marshall's, where I'm staying at in California. I had to mix in colors to make it more vibrant, so I used, as you can tell, I used MAC LA colors to brighten it up. Maybe like it's a little bit different for you guys, I don't know. But if you have any comments, questions, and you want to let me know how you did it, please put them down in the comment box down below. Please also don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.